Sumner. I'm here at MWR regional meeting here in St. Louis. I'm a newly promoted manager. I'm also with my fellow manager, Hosea from Philadelphia. We're here with the CEO and president of MWR, Mr. Brian House. This organization, MWR Financial, that's starting here is designed specifically for consumers, but I want to talk to our young people, our young professionals who are working and can't seem to get ahead, who have student debt, who have all kind of financial pressures and don't know where to turn. MWR is a company that's going to help you get experts without having you shell out a whole lot of money. They can help you with your taxes, with managing your student debt, your loans, with developing a plan for you to retire so they're not like your parents who are working into their 60s and 70s. This company is going to help you gain financial freedom in a cost-effective way. Mr. House, please tell them how important it is for young people to get a financial education because we don't get those resources.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll be happy to do that. And first of all, I'll just say this. The system that your parents and your grandparents have used may not actually work as well for you. And there's some reasons for that. We can explain that in more detail. But I know that there's a lot of you out there that are younger and you're thinking that, you know what, I want to go get a good education, I want to get a good job, and then once you do that, you're going to be in the system. But here's what I want you to understand. I am all for education. I believe in education. But here's the only thing that I have an issue with. There is only 2 people that will lend $100,000 to a 17-year-old. Okay? Only 2 people. One's a loan shark, and the other is Sally Mae. Okay? And so when you're taking on that much debt at that early of an age, you need to know what you need to do in order to make sure that you can get out of that debt quickly. And so our experts will be able to help you with that strategy. But we'll also make sure that you don't make bad financial decisions now so that you don't put yourself into a position to where you're going to struggle to succeed later. So with that said, that's exactly what we do.
Thank you so much.
Hey, my pleasure.
Give your number.
Reach out to me, family. Call me at 215-200-4310. Reach out to me on Facebook and Instagram to see my details. God bless. Thank you.
Amen.
Hey, my pleasure. My pleasure.
Wow.